At Computex 2025, CoolerMaster showcased its powerful cooling solutions and impressive pre-built PCs, cementing its position as a leader in the PC cooling industry. With a rich history of providing top-tier cases and cooling products, CoolerMaster is continuing to push the boundaries of what's possible, offering products that not only showcase technical prowess, but also embody a vision for the future of the PC industry. One of the standout moments at this year's Computex event was the revival of CoolerMaster's iconic Cosmos case series. While oversized cases are no longer as popular in today's market, the 2025 comeback aligns perfectly with the growing size of graphics cards and the increasingly complex cooling systems in modern PCs. The two massive case models on display demonstrated a design overhaul, incorporating hidden cable management and a sleek modular panel system, bringing them up to date with the latest trends in PC customization and efficiency. The most attention-grabbing product in CoolerMaster's booth was the pre-built Tower PC, featuring the groundbreaking Cooling X Pro liquid cooling system. This system represents a masterclass in cooling technology, equipped with a massive 360mm by 360mm radiator, designed to cool both the CPU and GPU simultaneously. This bold design highlights CoolerMaster's commitment to pushing the limits of cooling, incorporating four 180mm fans mounted on the large fin stack to keep temperatures low without generating excessive noise. What's even more impressive is the inclusion of performance meters directly on the case, allowing users to monitor the system's temperature in real time. The hardware powering this masterpiece is equally impressive, with the machine featuring an AMD Ryzen 9 9950X processor mounted on an MSI X870E motherboard. It also includes 16 GB of G.Skill Trident Z RAM non-RGB and an RTX 5090 waterblock GPU, all powered by a 1250W power supply. This setup is perfect for users demanding maximum performance, whether for gaming, content creation, or data-heavy tasks. The Cooling X Pro ensures that these components remain cool even under heavy load, making it a perfect choice for enthusiasts and professionals who demand both style and power. In addition to the high-end products, CoolerMaster also introduced the revolutionary 3D heat pipe technology, which has been in development for several decades. This new cooling solution builds upon traditional U-shaped heat pipes, adding a third branch from the central area to improve the distribution of heat across the entire fin stack. This innovation significantly enhances overall cooling performance, ensuring that heat is dissipated more evenly and efficiently. The V8 Ace, equipped with the 3D heat pipe technology, is a prime example of how CoolerMaster is applying this breakthrough. The V8 Ace features a thick, single-fin stack design, combined with two 120mm FDB fans in a push-pull configuration. The V4 Alpha, while more streamlined, retains a thick aluminum fin stack and incorporates the 3DHP technology, offering a balance of performance and simplicity. Meanwhile, the V4 Core ARGB version brings both performance and aesthetics into one package, while the non-RGB V4 Core focuses purely on performance with its simplified design. To cater to a wide range of users, CoolerMaster also introduced the MasterFrame 360, a case designed for those who love customization and want to transform their PCs into works of art. Its modular design allows users to change the case layout and create unique, personalized builds. Users can further customize the case with official accessories or 3D printed parts from printables.com, offering limitless possibilities for creativity at an affordable cost. In the fan cooling department, CoolerMaster unveiled the Master Fan XT series, featuring a 30mm thick aluminum frame. This increased thickness allows for a larger fan surface area and improved airflow at the same RPM, or users can opt for lower RPM to reduce noise. The Master Liquid Master Hub AIO also introduced a new innovation in water cooling design, allowing users to swap out the top of the pump block not just for aesthetic purposes, but also to adjust its functionality. With a range of accessories, including true color screens and RGB mesh diffusers, users can create a truly unique cooling system. These products presented at Computex 2025 reflect CoolerMaster's proactive approach to shaping the future of PC cooling. By offering both high-end solutions for those with no budget constraints and more accessible products for the mass market, CoolerMaster is ensuring that every PC builder, from enthusiasts to everyday consumers, has access to innovative and customizable cooling solutions. CoolerMaster's exhibition at Computex 2025 truly demonstrates the company's commitment to advancing PC cooling technology and providing users with the best possible hardware and cooling solutions. Whether you're a professional gamer, a content creator, or just someone looking for a reliable PC cooling system, CoolerMaster has the right product to meet your needs. The company's focus on innovation, performance, and user customization sets them apart as a leader in the ever-evolving world of PC hardware.